The solution to human problem is not religion. The solution to human problem is the kingdom of God. And that was what God did in the beginning. We have dominion mandate right from Genesis chapter 1. What human being lost in the Garden of Eden in Genesis chapter 3 was not religion, it's the kingdom of God. Jesus Christ is the way out of our problem. He said, "Come unto me, all ye that labor and that are heavy laden, I will give you rest." Jesus was going all about attending to the problems of humanity, eradicating them and destroying the works of the devil effortlessly without stress. People came to Jesus and he delivered them from all predicament of life. But we are told that Jesus was going all about doing good, healing the sick, raising the dead, delivering people from all their troubles. That was what he did, and that is what we need now. So, beloved brothers and sisters and beloved people of God, if you want to be delivered from religion, you need to come to Jesus Christ so that he can establish the kingdom of God in your heart, and you would now begin to have relationship with God.